Once upon a time, in the golden kingdom of Magad, King Vikramaditya ruled with unmatched power. His palaces gleamed with marble and gold, his treasury overflowed with diamonds, and thousands bowed before his throne. Yet every night, as stars filled the sky, the king stared into darkness with a heavy heart. Riches surrounded him, but peace escaped him. One moonless night, he called his wisest ministers. "I've conquered lands from Himalayas to sea," he said. "I've built wonders for eternity, but happiness eludes me. What is its secret?" "More gold, Maharaj," said the treasurer. "More victories," urged the general. "More temples," advised the priest. Their empty words echoed through the hall. Frustrated, the king disguised himself as a wandering sadhu in saffron cloth and slipped past the palace guards into the dark forest. Deep among ancient banyan trees, where peacocks called and streams whispered, stood a simple hut of bamboo and mud. Smoke rose from a tiny fire, and there sat a young monk, barely 30, in patched robes, eating from a clay bowl. His face glowed with quiet joy. "Namaste, traveler," the monk said warmly. "Share my fire?" The disguised king sat down. "Swamiji, I've journeyed 3 kingdoms seeking happiness. You have nothing, yet shine like the sun. Teach me your secret." The monk smiled. "Happiness cannot be taught, only experienced. Stay 3 days, live as I live." Day 1. The lesson of simple hunger. That night, thunder crashed as rain hammered the thatch roof. The king shivered on a thin grass mat, missing his silk cushions. At dawn, the monk offered millet porridge with wild greens in a wooden bowl. The king grimaced, used to pheasant and saffron rice on silver platters. He forced down 3 bitter spoons. "How do you survive this?" he asked. "When stomach whispers enough, soul shouts freedom. Your feasts chain you, my simplicity frees me." Villagers arrived with fruit offerings. An old woman wept, "My harvest failed." A boy cried, "My father is dying." The monk listened calmly, spoke simple truths, and sent them away smiling. The king watched, amazed. Day 2. The lesson of light shoulders. "Why carry their pain?" the king asked. "Doesn't it crush you?" The monk scooped sand, let it slip through fingers. "Pain flows through me like river water. I guide but never hold. You, great king, build dams of worry for your kingdom." They walked to a mountain spring. "What troubles you most?" the monk asked. "Tomorrow," the king confessed. "Millions depend on my decisions. Wars loom, betrayals hide in shadows." "Tomorrow never comes," the monk said. "It becomes today. Solve today's problems with today's wisdom." Day 3. The mirror of truth. That evening, fireflies danced like stars as the monk led him to a glassy mountain lake. "Look deeply." The king saw his reflection, noble beard beneath sadhu cloth, but beside him glowed the monk's peaceful face. "Who is truly rich?" the monk whispered. Tears filled the king's eyes. He fell to his knees in mud. "You, Swamiji, you own nothing, possess everything." At dawn, he revealed his identity. The monk bowed, unmoved. "Take these 3 truths, Maharaj. Less food, more soul space. Help without holding burdens. Live only in this moment." He tied 3 pebbles in the king's cloth. Carry these, not gold." When King Vikramaditya returned, servants gasped at his simple robes, lean face, shining eyes. He transformed his kingdom. Palace feasts became grains and fruits. Mornings spent hearing common voices. Evenings meditating by the royal lake. His people whispered, "Our king smiles like he found hidden treasure," and he had. Years later, when ministers asked about happiness, he held up 3 pebbles and smiled. 3 days with a poor monk taught what lifetimes of gold could not. The eternal message: true happiness hides in simplicity, service without attachment, and present moment. Empty your plate, lighten your worries, live now. Your greatest treasure waits in silence. Subscribe to Mindful Momentum for more stories that awaken your soul.